Hey, Lulu. Is that your present you're going to open on Christmas Eve? Uh-oh. Are you going to open that? Oh. What are you doing? You're going to be covered in glitter if you touch that. Daddy, will you help him open this so he can open his present? Just start it for him, I guess. Oh. What you got there, little face? Brayden. Hi, Bubba. Hi. It's a baby. Good job, Bub. Good job. She's a baby. Hey, Brayden. Hi. Whoop. There's a bow. Here's a bow. It's okay. You can open it. You can open it. There, Papa shed some light on it for us. Oh, bow's off. Mmm, tasty. Hey, you. Hey, Bootsy. Hi, Bootsy. You're so silly. I'm glad we spent all that money on presents for you to eat the bow. And paper. And paper. There's your kitty. Hi, Bling. Whoops. Brayden, face. Brayden. Hi. Brayden. Brayden. Silly. Brayden. Hi. Our first present of Christmas Eve. I've already eaten some paper. Had a couple of bows. Honey, can you help me? He's actually eating the paper.
That is currently what's in his mouth.
Will you help him open that? Let him play with it. What you got there, bud? Don't you know the rules? You gotta hold him up and show it what it is. There you go. It should be on now. Let him play with it.
Rain and dust. Count them one by one.
One cow, two ducks. 8, 1, 2.
Animals are big and small. Can you count them all?
Good job, Bubba. Good job.